So hey, what is up guys, and today I'm going to show you how to fix some lags in your phone or tablet. You can fix the lag. I'm going to show you the steps, so follow the steps in order to fix the lag in your phone and the tablet. Okay, first off you need to go to about phone, okay, and you're gonna press anything of that. So I'm gonna press the version, okay. So it's saying that I'm already a developer, which means that I can change the settings whatever I want. So you have to click every which thing you want to click, okay. Sorry for my bad English. And yeah, that's how. And you're gonna click the version, and then you're gonna go back to additional settings, and you're gonna go here. There's a developer options. You're gonna click that, and it's telling to okay, sorry, RKWI, yeah. So you're gonna turn on that, scroll down, and this is just a bonus, extra bonus, okay. I'm gonna show you that aggressive Wi-Fi to cellular handover on that to make your Wi-Fi faster. And keep scrolling down. If you want it to be faster, you're gonna click that window animation scale to 5.x 0.5x. Yeah, you're gonna set this everything to 5.x. It will be much more faster. And you're gonna turn on that forced GPU rendering. Turn on that, and yeah, you're gonna click this don't keep activities. So yeah, that is all guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. That's how you fix the lag. And yeah, sorry for my bad English guys. This is just a quick video of how to fix the lag in every phone and tablets and everything. Hope you enjoyed this video, and like and share and subscribe and share this video to your friends. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you again in another video.